Transform your Shopify store by seamlessly integrating your Instagram feed and unlocking the power of social commerce. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through exactly how to add your Instagram feed directly to your Shopify store. Making it visually stunning and incredibly engaging for your customers, this feature allows you to showcase your brand's authentic style, highlight your products in real-life contexts, and even turn admiring followers into paying customers. First things first, log into your Shopify admin from your dashboard. Navigate to the App section in the left-hand menu. Next, click the Customize Your Store button to open the Shopify App Store here. Type Instagram feed or a similar phrase into the search bar. You'll see a variety of apps that can help you achieve this. For this demonstration, we'll select a popular and highly rated option. Look for apps with good reviews and features that align with your needs, such as displaying shoppable posts or user-generated content. Once you've chosen an app, click on its listing to view its details, then click the Add App button. You'll be prompted to review the permissions the app requires and then approve the installation. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Now, within the app settings, you'll need to connect your Instagram account. Look for a Connect Instagram, Authorize, or similar button. This will take you to Instagram's authorization page. Log in with your Instagram credentials and grant the app permission to access your feed. Once connected, you'll usually see a preview of your Instagram feed directly within the app settings. Most apps offer customization options, like choosing how many posts to display, the layout, and whether to include tags for shoppable posts. To actually display your feed on your store, go back to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store. Then Themes, click Customize to open the theme editor. Depending on your theme, you'll either add the Instagram feed as a new section or find an existing block within a relevant section, like your homepage or a dedicated gallery page. Look for an option to add a new section and select the Instagram feed app you just installed. Adjust the section settings to choose its placement on the page and any specific layout preferences. You can often drag and drop sections to arrange them exactly where you want them. Finally, click Save in the theme editor now. Head over to your live Shopify store and refresh the page. Voila! Your Instagram feed is now beautifully integrated, ready to showcase your brand's personality and drive those sales. #Shopify Instagram #social commerce.